Hello class, am I audible? Good morning. Is my voice clear, students? Hello class, am I audible? Shreya, my voice is audible to you?
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay. We will wait 2 minutes for all your friends to join, then we will start our class, okay? Just inform in your group all your students to join fast. So, good morning, students. How are you all?
Good morning.
Good morning. Just drop a message in your group that tell your friends to join fast. Before this, which lesson you all had? Which class that means? Okay, Kazim, please unmute yourself. Okay. So yes, very good morning, students. I'm just waiting 1 minute, one more minute that all your friends should join, and we will start our class. So my voice is properly clear to you all, or do you want me to use some other device? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, miss.
No echo sounds
Yes,
are
miss.
coming, na? No echo sounds are there, na? Clear, na?
Yes, miss.
Okay, fine.
Yes, miss.
Very good. Is the screen visible to you, students? Hello, students. Is the screen
Yes, miss.
visible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. I will just going to start. So, very good morning, dear students. So, today you all have taken your time out, and also in this pandemic situation, also you all have came here to study to make the most of the time. So, I'm welcoming you all for today's lecture. So, if any disturbances are there around you, just for half an hour, keep it aside. You go at one corner where there is no disturbances are there, and you just start concentrating on your studies. Okay, so sitting anywhere we can study very nicely. Be attentive, you have some activities, you can do certain things, you can answer me, but no disturbances should be there. Okay, student, so let's start. So what you can see in your screen, peace. So today we all want peace, we want a peaceful life. At last a human being, what they say, I want a peaceful life, I want to lead a life that is peaceful. So today regarding that only our lesson is there. I'm going to ask you all certain questions, and I'm expecting answers from you all. Will you cooperate, students? I will get answers now from you all. Okay, students, everybody is here now with me. Taiba, please answer. I want answers. Huh? Whenever I'm going to ask you questions, I want answers. Okay, students, am I audible? Okay. Now let's see. Move further. 1 second. I'm admitting your friend. Okay. So seeing at them, whom do you remember? Can anybody answer me? Who you all know? Looking at them, whom do you remember? Students, please answer. Boys, am I audible first? Tarannum, please answer, dear. Why I'm not getting answers, dear? Looking at them, whom do you remember? Who comes into your mind? Who are these people? Yes, please answer. Shreya, please answer. Who are they? Class, I want your answers. Otherwise, I can't move further. Teba, who are these people? Okay. Okay, I'm asking for Sonu. Please answer me. Who are these people? Mohammed, please answer, dear. Who are these people whom you find? Which side section of people these are? You all don't know who are they? Do you all know about Buddhism, dear students? Students, am I audible first? Please answer. Kazim, am I audible? Kazim, am I audible? Please answer, na? Yash, am I audible? Students, I want answers. Yash Pawar, please answer. Kishan, please answer. Okay, students, if you all are not going to answer, how can I move further? I want one answers from you all. Will you answer or not?
Buddhism.
Yes, Buddhism. So Buddhism, who is the father of them, of Buddhism, dear student? There is a name now of one person. What is his name? It starts from G.
Janice.
Who?
Janice.
Yes, but
Janice.
one person is there. Looking at him, you will feel. See here, it is there. Back of one person, sir is sitting here. Can you find the cursor of mine? Who is he? What is his name?
Gautam.
Very good. Very good. You have to answer na like this. Please answer me. Then I will come to know na you know the person. So today we are going to learn about Gautam Buddha. In your English textbook, move to page 83, dear students. And today we are going to learn about Gautam Buddha. What is his story? What has happened in his life? Like that thing we are going to learn. So take out your English textbooks, dear students, everybody. And anywhere I can tell you all to read. Anybody I can tell you all to read. And this is your internal type thing. So I can report to your teacher also. So remove your page number 83. And today the topic name of the topic of your this today for today is the story of Gautam's quest. Understood? So let's move further. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Very good. So first, let's give a overall view of our story. Quest means what? In the topic only, story of Gautam's. Quest means a long or arduous search for something. Gautam Buddha had a long search for something, a long search for peace, a long search for divine, and also a long search for certain things that are really needed for us in current situation. In our life, we all suffer so much things. But to get rid of that, what we all should do, what all things are there to make us active, that all things he has done. So let's see his life story first and let's start our session today. Quest means what? A long or adorous search for something. He has searched for something. He has searched some question answers. So what is that we will find today? Just take the screenshot, students. Just write it down. Otherwise, fastly, I have to move further. Once you all are done with the screenshot, please tell me. Shruti, please tell me once you are done with the screenshot.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, you all. Very good. Let's start our session today. So,
Okay, Miss.
yeah, in this lesson, you all are going to learn about his childhood, Gautam's childhood. Then you are going to learn about his young age. Then we are going to learn about attaining of nirvana. What is nirvana? All this thing we are going to know up today. Okay. 1 second. So this year, from your start
Yes,
your
Miss.
lesson, I'm going to start it. I'm not going to read each and everything, but in between, I will tell anybody to read and you have to read. So let's start. Gautam Buddha was born over 2500 years ago as a Prince Siddharth. He was first a prince. But one big king is there in Vaishaka. Sorry, one big king is there whose name was Suddhodana. His son is Siddharth, whose name right now is Gautam Buddha. He was born in Vaishak Purnima at Lumbini, situated in the city of Kapila Vastu. So when he was born, 1 second, student. When he was born, dear students, at that time, you know what was happening? His mother has died once he was born after 7 days. Did you all understood? So he was a child of that his father had made him, brought up to him. Okay. And at that time, one priest came there, and what he told, this person will become either Chakravarti or Chakravarti means you all know, students, to whom we say Chakravarti. To a very powerful warrior, we say him Chakravarti, an emperor, a big person, or a sannyasi. Do you know who is sannyasi? We say to someone sannyasi. Do you all know? So to that person, you all go now to take blessings. Yes? Do you all go, students, to take blessings in one temple? We say them sannyasis. They do meditation and all. You all might have having idea. So one of the person told him either he will become a Chakravarti, a emperor, or a sannyasi. Okay. So after that, what happened? The king was determined. From there, Sheikh Tarannum, you read. Start.
Yes, Miss. The king was
Determined.
determined to prevent his beloved son from requiring the world. He surrounded the prince with every enable lux and comfort. It is said that the king had three magnificent places, one from each season
Yes.
of the year,
Okay.
and in the
Taran
beautiful
Tarannum, thank you. So what is happening here, dear student? The king's father who was there, because he didn't had his mother, he used to make him very happy with all these things. At least his son will be happy with this thing. So as he was a prince, what his father did, you all know? His father used to give him good gardens. Like each season he had one palace. In rainy season, he had a palace like rain, enjoying in the rain, like that type. In winter season, he had a nice cool weather with the hot things inside, like that. In other which season, we have summer season, he had nice coolest place. So like that, beautiful palaces he made. Understood? After that, what is there? In good times, the prince was married to one of the most beautiful girls of the realm of that place. He had married with a beautiful princess there, and she was Yashodhara, the daughter of Kolyan king. Soon a son, Rahul, was born to them. At the age of 29, Siddharth went out to see his kingdom. So now, who is scribbling, students? So what happened, you all know, students? At the age of 29, okay, what happened to him? He went to the search for something. 1 second. He went for search for outside as he was the king. Now his father has become old, and that time when he went out, earlier how his life was, he was like a prince. He was enjoying everything in the palace. But now he is a king. King should give the justice to everyone. In order to see all those things, he went out, and what he did, student, he saw the world fears. Like in the world, you if you can find out, you can find happiness, sadness, enjoyment, cry, everything is there. So he found out four people, and those four peoples are nothing but whom they found. He saw an old man. From there, uh, Kishan Lal will read.
And in the beautiful
No, you have to
atmosphere
read
of
from here. Listen, he saw an old man, a diseased man. From there, start reading. Fast, dear.
एक minute, yes.
He saw an old man. It is there
He
down,
saw
dear. From here. Vaibhavi, start reading.
Yes, miss.
Start.
A decided man, a dead man, and a monk.
It is
And
not just wait. Very good. And it is not desired man. It is diseased man who is having fever, who is having big diseases like that. He saw a dead man. At the place of dead man, what is there? Nothing is there. Na? We have big palaces, but at the date when we are dead, that time you will take anything with your students. Do we take a home and go to the graveyard? No, na? When we are anybody is dead, he is taking his property and going there. No, na. How you have born, you will go like that only. So he was searching for the worldly things, that which is called as dukkha. Dukkha means what? World sorrows. So he had a question for himself, that how I will come out of this. Understanding? So, one second. So what he has done, dear students, he went out of his palace. He told his wife that now, from now onwards, I will not come to the kingdom. I am going out to search certain things, to search what is the answer for this question, that is dukkha. Did you all understood, student? So he went
Yes,
out,
miss.
and what he did, he had meditated under a vriksha. Vriksha means what? A tree. That is, you already know in your history, na? Bodhi vriksha. So his strong and athletic body was reduced to a bag of bones, but it served no purpose. The Buddha then scattered a handful of grass of the ground beneath the Bodhi vriksha tree, formed a seat for himself. And what he told to himself, you all know. From there, Amay, you please read, dear. I care. From there, you read. See, in your screen only the thing is there. Na? I care, not my skin. From there, you start reading. Amay, can you read? Okay, Teba, please read. Teba, can you read?
then scattered an handful of grass on the ground beneath of Bodhi tree and formed the seat for himself. I care not if my skin and nervous and
Okay, dear. Thank you. One second, huh? One second. Okay. So what he saw, thank you, dear. So what he was telling, I will not care my skin, I will not care anything. I will go and meditate there, and I will find the questions, answer for the question, that how can I get rid of this? Did you all understood, student? How can I get rid of the worldly fear? Okay. So for that, after doing that, what happened? He had put the willpower that whatever may be thing, even I will die, but I want the answer for this question. After so many days, he was meditating. After that, what happened? He became like the tune, the sitar never low nor high. He got this vision. The string overstretch break and the music dies. The string overstack is dumb and the music dies. That means when you take this guitar and make that string so much like that musical way, one day that string will get break, right? If you will make extend it beyond that, it will get break, na dear student, that string. So like that only, when a person is meditating day and night without having food, then what will happen to him? One day he will become what? He will become what? He will become, dear student. If you are meditating day and night without having food, water, what will happen to you? Vaibhavi, please answer. Students, you all are not interested, I feel.
Sick.
Yes, you will
We
become
can
sick.
dead.
We can same thing like that only happened. What Buddha was thinking, he got this vision of the strings. What vision he got? If guitar is there, for example, 1 second. See, he found all these people. 1 second, I will tell you. If this guitar is there, if you are playing this so many times, what will happen? It will get like, see what happened here. It will get break, na? Like that vision he got. Similarly, if he's giving the strain to his body, okay, what his body will become? It will get sick. So what he thought, now just stop this. I will not starve my thing. Okay. So after that, now I will come out of this. So once he came out of that, there was one follower of him whose name was Sujata. She gave him sweet milk rice. Okay. So what, he was very weak, na? So that's why what he did, he has taken that, okay, and was moving further to find out the answer for the question that how we can get rid of sorrow, not sorry, sorrow. So Gautam, as he was moving further with his experiences, with his calmness and politeness, he found out the answer. What is the answer, you all know, dear student? For that, in life, if you have sorrow, sorrow comes because of desire. Because for example, I'll give a small example. If you want bicycle, okay, that is your desire, and if you are not getting that from your parents or something, you are so much asking them, but due to some problems they are not giving, then you will get hurt, and that is sorrow. Understood? But to get rid of that, okay, my parents will give me after some time, it is okay, I will afterwards ask them. Like that, if you think, that sorrow will go from you. Did you get? And you should walk in the right living. Adopt a right living means never to say lies, always be polite to your work. Okay, move further like this. So, till date, we are remembering Buddha because he came as a prince to this world. But while leaving this world, he was a Buddha who taught the people that sorrows could be moved out from you when desires are no more, and you should take up the right steps to move further in your life. And that is what the story tells you. He was a big princess, he can lead his life like a luxury, na? Today, you all people may be thinking that we have everything nicely. Okay, some are rich, some are poor in this. But he was rich, but he came to poor. He understood the faults what are there and found out those answers for those questions. In your life also, wherever, whichever situation you may be, if you want answer for your questions, you need to do a meditation. Meditation, if you want answers for your studies, you have to do meditation of your studies. Okay, some meanings are there that I'm going to show you all now. Please copy it down. Determine, please take the screenshot of this. Having made a firm decision, being resolved not to change. Magnificent is impressively beautiful. His palace was impressively beautiful, elaborate, or extravagant. Okay. Mansions means a large, impressive house. Next meaning, who will read? Yash Pawar, please read this fourth one. Don't look here and there. I know you can hear me. Kazim, please read the fourth. Don't laugh. Imper,
Yes. Impermanence the states or
fat,
states of lasting for
limited. It is lasting only.
period of time.
So this is there in your textbook. Textbook words are there. Please take the screenshot. For meanings you get na in your passages. For that it will be useful for you all. Done, dear students? Just take the screenshot.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss, I
Yes,
can
miss.
take screenshot, miss.
1 second, student. So with this story, what you came to know, the signs of the witness. He saw old man, he saw diseased man, he saw dead man, he saw monk man. Monk is a person who is poor, but he is obedient, religious, community man. From this arises one beautiful book of him. Okay, the beautiful book. It is called as Book of Buddhism. 4 signs, that book. So with this, he wrote that book. So Gautam Buddha, what he has taught you all, you know, no one saves us but ourselves, no one and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Take the right path, walk your way, you will not feel hurt anywhere. Understood? Hard work is the key to success. We ourselves should work hard and you should strive better for your life. Understood? Now I'm going to ask you all certain things. Attainment of nirvana. Buddhism is translated state in which there is neither suffering, desire, nor sense of self, and the subject is realized from the effect of karma and the cycle of death and rebirth. So these things he has attained from nirvana when he came out and what he said to himself, I care not if my skin and nerves and my blood decays. I care not if my life blood dries. Similarly, you should not care with any outside things that is stopping you from your dreams. You should strive like Gautam Buddha and become helpful to everyone. Understood, student?
Yes, miss.
Let's move further.
Yes, miss.
Opposite words, please note down. Sorrow. Who will tell me these opposite words? For sorrow, what is there?
Happy.
Happy.
Very good. Overstretch,
Relax.
Relax.
starvation.
Sufficiency. Sufficiency.
Very good, very good. Starvation means when you will not eat na for so many days, that time your stomach starts paining for food. I want food like that from your stomach. So that time we starve. Okay. So starvation means that. See, she was Sujata as soon as Gautam Buddha came out from his meditation when he was feeling so much sick that he couldn't do after vision. Which vision came to him? You all remember? I told you all na of guitar string. That string will get break. Can anybody tell me that? Farhan, do you know the answer? Okay. So what happened to that string? He got he got a vision. 1 second, student. He got the Farhan, can you answer? Ammai, don't sleep. Okay. Other students, please answer. Okay, 1 second. Huh? Okay, students, I think y'all are not interested today. Which lecture was there? Y'all are feeling sleepy. Okay, anyhow, see, from Gautam Buddha, we should learn things that we should be determined in our life. Okay, now she was Sujata. He got a vision before that when he was searching for the question's answer. Which question answer he was searching? in the world there are so many sorrows. How can we get rid of that? Okay, in this world I have so many sorrows, but how can I come out of that? That was his question. And he got a vision. Vision means when you really want to become something, you get a vision. God gives that vision to us. And in that vision, what came? If a string is been stretched so much, then it will get break. Similarly, he is stretching his body so much, he is not giving food to it. Then one day his body will get weak and he will not find the answer. Instead of that, he should come out of that and he should search for things around. Then he will find the answer for those questions. As soon as he came out, then Sujata, who was seeing him from so many days in that place, she offered him some food. After having that, he felt very happy. Okay. And then he went out to search certain things. Gautam has longed for enlightened. That night he found answer to his question. He realized that making the body suffer was not the way to enlightenment and truth. We should not give suffering to our body. In fact, we should find out solutions for that and make the best of that. Understood, student? So, causes of sorrow is what? Desire. The causes for your sorrow is what? Desire. I told you an example of bicycle,
Desire.
na? Yes. Next, what is there? Please read. Cure for?
So,
Cure
cure
for
for
sorrow
sorrow is
give
give
up
up desire.
desire.
Yes. I will not tell you should not have desire. You should have desire towards your studies and everything. But if you have over desire, like my daddy, today only I want bicycle, like that you will sit na, you will not get, then you will feel hurt. Instead of that, tell your dad, please dad, I want this. Okay. Then they will think of that. If you will talk nicely, you will get that. Okay. So cure for your sorrow is also give up that desire, ask, request for those things, stay happy. That is what you want to tell your. So about whom did you learn today? So can you see this image? I got this gift from my friend. About him you all have learned. Now what is his name? Students, please answer dear. What is the name?
Gautam Buddha.
Gautam Buddha.
Yes, very good. Can you see this image? What I'm showing you all?
Yes, miss.
How should you get rid of sorrows? I gave you example of bicycle. Na? How should you get rid?
Yes, miss.
How should you get out of that? I'm asking the question. If you have sorrow that you have not got the bicycle, so you should stop your, it starts from D. What is your cure for sorrow is give up. Cure for sorrow is to give up.
Desire.
You should give up your desire. That is the answer for that. So have a look on this is your homework, students. Okay. So you have a look on certain digital libraries that are available in your Google. Okay. To read certain stories of Gautam Buddha, you should go to the digital library. Like you can find out in Google, or you can find out in apps, Google Play Store apps, stories of Gautam Buddha. There are so many books that is available on free. Just start reading certain stories of him. You will get inspiration from that and learn that. Be happy everywhere you all are. Okay. And put your desires to a limit that you will be happy. You should get that desired thing, but if you are not getting, you should not feel sorrow for that. Okay. So these people who are Buddhism people, they always teach us all these things, like there is nothing that can hurt you. Okay. You should be your friend, God will help you, and you should move further, and every time you should make best out of that. So any word that you all have not understood, student, can you see from your textbook and can you tell me? Ask me. You can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask any point of the story that you all have not understood,
No, miss.
like that. Anything is like that, student, please ask me. Story you all have understood?
Yes, miss.
Nicely you all have
Yes,
understood what?
miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, let me check now. In which, under which tree? The tree name is what? He sat.
Miss Buddhi tree.
Buddhi.
Bodhi Vriksha. Understood?
Bodhi Vruksh.
Ha. So when he was meditating there, one girl came. What is her name? To give him food.
Sujata.
Very good. And what
Sujata.
is the name of Gautam Buddha wife? What is her name? What is the name of Gautam Buddha wife? It was there na in the textbook. Her name was Yashodhara. What is her name?
Yashodhara.
Very good. And the second question is, what is the name of his son?
Rahul.
Very good, very good. Rahul.
Rahul.
Okay. So one of the prophet, or he will become sannyasi.
Sannyasi.
Now repeat. Either he will become
Chakravarti and Sannyasi.
Chakravarti Sannyasi.
or Chakravarti and nahi, Chakravarti or sannyasi. If Gautam Buddha was not the sannyasi, then he might have become Chakravarti. He might have become a great ruler of that time. Understood?
Yes, miss.
He wanted. Very good, very good. And he had a beautiful palace. Okay. And his father name is what? Do you all know? His father name was Raja Sudodana. What is his name?
Raja Shushudana.
Sudodana. Understood? Okay, students.
Yes, miss.
Now what you are going to do? We have only a few minutes now. So just take out your page number 85. Okay. And start reading from starting. Tune the sitar. From there you start reading. Rohit, you can, if you can, read. Or other students, if whoever can read, please read.
Miss, from where?
Miss, page number 85.
Page number.
Tune the sitar, never low nor high. It is there in page number 85, starting onwards.
Okay, miss.
Yeah.
Yes, miss. Tune the sitar, neither low or high. The steering over straight bricks and the music
It
dies.
is breaks, dear, breaks.
Bricks
Yeah.
and the music dies.
Yes.
The steering over slack is
Dump.
dumb and the music dies.
Okay,
He
okay.
throwed to
Yes.
himself.
He thought
I-
it is. He thought.
He thought to